So in my first year of fellowship, while I and my co-fellow were on a community visit, we went to this house where one of our students was wearing a really beautiful dress, and we wondered how could the mother, afford such a beautiful dress, and we asked her where she bought it from, and she told us that she had made it herself. That was really a realizing point for us, and as we started moving from house to house, we realized that every house held a lot of potential and a lot of problems which they were not catering to. And after taking a lot of surveys, we realized that a lot of the mothers of our students were financially dependent on their husbands, and they were pretty frustrated about their situation, that they're not able to contribute towards their child's education. Plus they had a lot of dreams which they had left behind when they got married and came. So we started off with Khwab. We decided we'll have a training for 3 months where the mothers will learn training, and then we'll start with the earning model. During the process, we realized that the mothers have to make this entire thing very sustainable, and it does not have to be very dependent on us. And in order for it to become sustainable, it was very important that every mother had that skill to continue it forward, and literacy was one of the most important things. So we started taking up literacy classes, literacy, maths and computers, which would empower them to take the market competition in the future. Computers basically so that they could explore, because they were so within the community, they did not know the world that was beyond the community. So computers really gave them exposure to designs that people beyond the community were doing. Math so that after we left they could manage their basic accounts, and English so that they are not left behind and they can talk to customers in basic English. So we started ideating for Khwab last year around December. We started planning for it in May, June, and Khwab started mid-August, and it's been 6 months since Khwab has been running, and in the next 2 months is when we will be supporting it completely. After that, the mothers are going to take it forward from here, and we envision that in the next year or two it's going to be completely managed by the mothers. In the next 1 year, it's going to be financially dependent on us, but operation wise the mothers are going to carry it forward. But in the next 2 years the system should generate that much profit so that even financially it's not dependent on us. So we started finance classes, basic financial literacy classes, and we realized that a lot of our mothers did not have bank account. So under the Prime Minister's scheme, we started opening bank accounts for the mothers in the same bank as we opened the trust account, so that we could easily transfer funds, and it gave the mothers a lot of empowerment when they walked up to the bank and signed the papers, and it gave them sort of a little bit of an identity that okay, we have our own bank account separate from our husbands where we can save money, because it was very difficult for them to save money at home because their husbands used to end up using that money.
मतलब ख्वाब माने सपना ही हुआ। हाँ, कोई चीज ख्वाब मीन्स एक सपना भी हुआ इसकी प्रायवाची।
और आपका सपना क्या है?
मेरा भी सपना जो मेरे पीछे छूट गया, मैं ये चीज़ करूँ, आगे कंप्यूटर सीखूँ, कुछ मैं इस जरिए से हम लोग को सीखने को मिल रहा है जो पीछे मैंने नहीं कर पाए हैं। अभी ख्वाब के ही जरिए अपने जो ख्वाब था मेरे पहले, वो सब मैं इस ख्वाब में आने के बाद मेरा पूरा हो रहा है।
So the future for Khwab is it to work more like a cooperative where more women from the community are coming together to live their dreams. We really want to diversify into other things, because tailoring is only one of the livelihood aspects that Khwab caters to right now, but we diversified into knitting, and soon we want the mothers to come up with different things they want to take up within the community and just bring more and more people together, so that it brings a small system where each one is supporting each other in just making their lives better.